eating well, you're well. When you're eating well, you're well. Up with beer and more, bring us plenty more. When you're eating well, you're well.
If you rub your food, you're ill. If you rub your food, you're ill. Loss of appetite is a dreadful blight. If you rub your food, you're ill. Boars and beers for Obelix. Whatever old proverbs say, eating to live is all wrong. Listen to us and be gay. Living to eat is our song.
When you're eating well, you're well. As the doctors always tell, those who feel the need for a good big feed, when you're eating well, you're well.
Greedy guts both large and small. Find that other things may fall. Eating never will fail to fill the bill. If you're up your food, you're ill. Bones for dogmatics.
Ba-ba-dee-boop-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-dee-boop-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-dee-boop-ba-da-ba.
Obelix, you are my love, soft and fragile as a dove. Don't forget the bows and the second course. Queen Cleopatra is yours.
Cleo, your nose is so sweet. So is a nice joint of meat. Sausages are tops, so are steaks and chops. Meat is what I like to eat. Meat is what I like to eat.
Without cheese is like a bird that can't fly. It's like a wood without trees. It's like a girl with one eye.
If you rock your food,
You're ill.
if you rock your food,
You're ill.
pay your respects, please.
To the king of cheese.
If you rock your food,
You're When the camel passes by, when the camel passes by, let his influence reach its excellence when the camel passes by.
Look here. I've got one hump. I am a dromedary, not a camel. Honestly, I ask you.
If you're off your food, you're ill. If you're off your food, you're ill.
Loss of appetite is a dreadful blight.
If you're off your food, you're ill.
Never forget what we say. Eat and drink well while you may. Up with beer and more, bring us plenty more. When you're eating well, you're well.